In this part, we will discuss about input function or getting input from the user. So input function is one of the most powerful function in Python to develop a lot of projects. So let's begin. Let me say first, simply, I'm gonna type input, then let me put some kind of prompt. Let me say enter color. Then this will allow the user to insert or to enter the color. Let's run this. It's asking me to enter or to type the name of the color. Let me say blue. Then if I click enter, so already the process is finished. So this is how you can ask the user to input or to insert or to type some kind of information by using the input function. Let me add some things on this, or let me develop the input function by using print function. Print, let me say your color is, I'm gonna use the concatenation principles. Let me use comma, and let me store. You have to store this input function in some kind of variable. If I insert input as it is without storing this input function in some variable, then I may not get the desired or the required result. Let's run this. Enter color, let me say red. If I enter this, your color is, it's not printing the name of the color, so it is saying something else. So to print the value of the input, I'm gonna store this input value or this built-in function in some kind of variable. Let me say color. Let me say color equals input. So if I run this here, I'm gonna type color. If I run this, I will have the correct result or the desired result. Enter color, let me say blue. Your color is blue. This is how input function can be used with print function. So since input function is built-in function, you cannot print as it is. So you must store the value of the input function inside the variables. So this is how you can use the print function with input function. Let me use, or let me show examples by taking multiple inputs from users, like say input, let me ask the user to enter his name, and the other will be, let me ask the user to enter his age or her age. Then I'm gonna store these two built-in function or these two datas from the user inside variable. So let me say this one is name and it equals input, and let's say this one be age and it equals with input from the user. So then I'm gonna say print. So you can take or you can receive as many inputs as possible from users or as you want. So let me say print. For my case, just I want to take two inputs from the user. So let me use print function and print these two values. My name is, then I'm gonna use comma. My name is, then let me say the variable name, and say, and I am, and let me say age. On age. So if I run this, the result will be printed. Let's run this. It's asking me to enter the name. Let's say Brock, and it's asking me to enter my age. Let me say 18. So finally, if I click enter, so the result is printed. My name is Brock and I'm 18. So this is how you can use the input function. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, press the like button, and write any kind of comments that you have for me inside the comment section, and share the video.